Bihu festival and take it out around the fire and play. So like this, there are many cool stories. So many cool old stories about these instruments. Very sad we've forgotten those stories also. So trying to share some of them. Even with this instrument didgeridoo, it is originally from Australia. This instrument is an Australian instrument and it's originally made from Nilgiri Mara, eucalyptus. You've all heard of eucalyptus? Where's eucalyptus from? It's from Australia, not from India. Came here a couple of 100 years ago, but it's from Australia. So they have ancient practice. This instrument is 30,000 years old. And they will find the piece of eucalyptus which naturally has become whole because of termites coming and eating inside. They'll find that piece which has naturally got hollow and they will play with that piece. So many nice stories are also there connected to these instruments. Okay, now finally the one that you will all be making today. Do you remember the names of these, by the way? Mouth harps? Yeah? Didgeridoo, exactly. Yeah, not didgeridoo. Didgeridoo. Okay. And this one is called an asalato. This is the one you're going to be making. If you go around and see on the other side of that board, it says DIY Asalato. Asalato is the name of this instrument. It is made from a sorekai, a lauki, a bottle gourd, you know, sorekai? But it grows correctly round. This sorekai is from West Africa. You guys know Africa, the continent? Do you know West Africa? Do you know any countries in West Africa? May I ask what standard are you children studying in?
Second PU.
Second PU. Okay. Well, for your information, there are some countries in West Africa where this is from. Senegal. Anybody's heard of Senegal? Ivory Coast. Ghana. These three countries are where you get this sorekai, which grows correctly round. And you can make a beat out of it. Make the sound of a railway train. So you can see there's a lot of variation in these instruments. And this asalato is what we'll be making today. How to play it? It's an extremely simple process of playing it. But we'll get to that. First, I'd like to pass around some, and you don't have to try and play it also. Please be careful with them, but look at them and reverse engineer. Right now, can anybody tell me what are the components of this instrument?
Rope.
Huh? Rope is one of them. You take one and you take one. Take a look and pass them on that way. That way. That way. What are the components? Rope, somebody said. What else? What are the components?
Bottle guard.
Ah, the sorekai, right, exactly. What else? Here, take a look and pass it on. What else? Just the rope and the bottle gourd? What else?
Some beads.
Ah, the filling inside the ball has to have some filling, no? Has to have some filling. Right? ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬೀಜ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು we are going to use ಕಲ್ಲು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಲ್ಲು ಮಣ್ಣು Hey Nandan. So take a look, pass it along. We'll teach you how to make it and to play it. Did you guys take a look? So who's holding the asalato right now? Can you hold it up please? Whoever's holding, hold it up. Okay, what are the components? Hold it up. Bottle gourd, rope, and the seed. Okay, now we are going to substitute the bottle gourd